Hi everyone, welcome to Yourpedia. This is Chandrasekhar, Faculty of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at Yourpedia. This video is related to Power Grid shortlisting through GATE 2025 for the post of engineer trainee through GATE examination. We all know that every year Power Grid recruits candidates through GATE examination for the post of engineer trainee. I'm talking about electrical engineering branch. So this is the list of candidates who got shortlisted. You can check who got shortlisted through GATE for the post of engineer trainee 2025. See, if you are there in this list, first of all, congratulations. And the main point is about interview, and here I'm going to discuss about technical part. I'm not going to discuss about GD and all. I'm going to discuss about technical part. Technical part is one of the deciding factor for your selection in Power Grid. Yes, you must have good technical knowledge. Here 2 points will arise. First point is, if you are a fresher, you must have solid subject knowledge. Yes, if you are a fresher, they may ask from the following subjects like power systems, mainly electrical machines, electrical measurements. In electrical measurements, mainly CT, PT, ammeter, voltmeter, their connections. If you come to machines, especially induction machine, then I can say control panel, or I can say sometimes about SCADA. Sometimes about SCADA, then speed control of induction machine, induction motor especially. So these things are very, very, very important. And transformer also, earthing, grounding, right? So you must have good knowledge, I can say solid knowledge in the subjects. Very important subjects are electrical machines, power system, power electronics, power electronic drives. Power electronic drives also is very, very important, and electrical measurements. So see, you may get one doubt, sir, how we can prepare these many subjects in the short span of time. So here the help of Yourpedia is going to come into the picture. That is, we made marathon videos for every subject, that is in the span of 8 hours. If it is a full subject like electrical machines, 8 hours. If it is a short subject like electrical measurements, 4 hours. So for full subject 8 hours, for short length subjects 4 hours. We made marathon videos exclusively on the basis of interview, only for the purpose of interview preparation, not for your, I can say, written examination. You can go through those videos which are available on your PDF panel, which are really, really helpful for you. Second point is, if you are a guy who is having experience, then total interview will go on your experience. Again, experience means relevant experience to Power Grid. Suppose if you are a software engineer who is working on data, suppose if you are a data engineer in some software company, that may not be questions from data engineering, maybe few superficial questions. What is data? What does it mean by data engineering? This kind of questions may be asked. If you are not having relevant experience to the post, then questions may be from the subjects again. At least basic questions they will ask. So these days AI integration is happening in every domain. If you are a software engineer from AI or data analysis, or you are a data analyst or data engineer or data scientist, few relevant questions related to the power system or power grid, maybe they may ask. So anyhow, one is very important. If you are an experienced guy, if your experience is relevant to the post you are going for or the company you are going for, then definitely most of 90% of the questions in technical part will be from your experience. 10% maybe to know your subject level. But if you have not relevant experience related to the post or related to the company, then some superficial questions from your experience, and definitely then afterwards questions related to the subject. So subject knowledge is important anyhow, but if you have relevant experience, then I ask you to concentrate mostly on your experience. Just see, one good suggestion here is you write your experience, recent experience first. You write on your paper and you see what equipment you worked with, what are the works you did, what are the problems you faced, all that you put in a document form, so that good preparation will happen. Don't just go to the interview with a bare mind like, so I remember everything. Sometimes you may forget what really you did. Yes, you worked, you have experience, but you forgot it. What are the problems occurred? The questions may be somewhat tricky with respect to your experience also. Okay, that's why I essentially suggest you to write down your entire experience on a paper, then that will come into your mind very clearly, right? So Yourpedia is the only platform, largest platform, successful platform for your interview preparation, right? You can join your hands with Yourpedia to accelerate your preparation towards your power grade engineering training, electrical engineering interview preparation. You can call to the number that is mentioned in the description box, and you can message us also. We will send you the recently asked interview questions from electrical engineering branch in power grid interview, right? Thank you, all the best.